What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Junior Full Time. If you ain't been to the fair yet, this is my vlog on the fair. So y'all finna see me just walking around this motherfucker. Right now it's raining, so we just gonna go with the flow. So I'm gonna be going on and off when it comes to record. Like right now, I'm gonna go over here and take a couple shots. Might just dunk that motherfucker, you know what I mean? No, don't follow me. You stay right there. You stay right there. We fresh outside with it, man. It just got done raining finally. Still sprinkling a little bit, but you already know I ain't gonna stop recording. Everywhere I go, I'm recording. It's over. You on my lead? All right, cool. Look at this. Yeah, it's more packed than the last time, wasn't it? Motherfuckers come out. They come out in the rain.
You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I'm a YouTuber, bro. You gotta check in with me.
Oh yeah, definitely, definitely. I got you. Hold the phone.
You're recording? I don't be in a video.
I've been doing like 500 messages in the scene. Like triple dares, all that, take guys to girls. Yeah. We finna leave to a winner.
Do you want me to record right now?
Right here.
Bro, I knew you looked familiar. I actually seen you. I think I got your Instagram. You do? I think I do. I don't know. What's your Instagram?
What you there?
I don't be in a video.
IR. Right there, the first one.
This one? Yep. I told you, I knew you was somewhere on Instagram. Because I seen some stuff. Hey, bro, I got you.
Probably because we get to work.
Yeah, definitely. What's your
same thing, YESIR. IR. SJM. First one right there. Yo, the road to the cage. What's up, y'all? What's your name on YouTube? Junior Full Time. Y'all already know, make sure y'all subscribe to my boy Junior 4 times. Y'all already know how he coming crazy, man. Content going insane. We're gonna do it the last one. It's Yes Sir Sam. I'm out. Peace. Love.
Yeah. Hey, I'm gonna tap in, bro. My fucking feet wet, man. Look at how come up the shoes, man. Fucking feet wet as hell. Come on.
What do you text?
Get that over here. Boy, hey, last time I was on some shit like that, boy, I was all the way in Kentucky. That's some shit. Look at how they keep them in the air. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I have no tolerance for this ride, bro. What is it, the Star Banger? I ain't fucking with no Star Banger. I don't even ride rides no more. See, the only reason I come to the fair is to get food, not to witness no crazy shit like this. Look at this. Hey, high as hell in there. Huh? What's up here? Look at this shit. Motherfucker not finna leave this bitch with no headache. Look at it. Pure examples. I can't do it, bro. I just can't. sure. Yep, now I'm starting to not to fuck with this ride either.
Damn now.
Fuck us, bro. Look at it. Well, shoot, now that we at this mayhem, we on our way to the comfortable side where all the food is. We ain't really come here to ride no rides. Damn, hey, get her face, get her face. Her face long as hell. Did you smooth that in there? I don't know what this center is, but we about to go check this out, bro. Look at it, little bad ass. This place look empty. Oh, it closed at 8. Fuck, man, we done ran into these motherfuckers. The Billy Goat, they smell like half a pint of dookie in this mug. God damn. What the fuck you got going on? What that shit?
I want to do it. Okay. I don't know.
With grain. Yeah, is you gonna be able to win? Is the thing. Shit.
I'm going to tug that thing.
I'm talking shit. Look like a shaved dog. What the hell? They be grooming these little motherfuckers, don't they? How you call them this over here? I'm trying to see how you call them motherfuckers. Look at him. That's me. You already know that's me. Look at it. What the hell? I guess this is the area for kids, man. I don't know. But hey, that over there, it's looking real pretty hoopy-ish. I had to go over there and dunk real quick. I'm finna go dunk real quick. Y'all feel me? When I said dunk, I didn't mean that over there. But this. I'm a hooper, not a scooper. Come on. Knucklehead. Got the kids over there crying. He dunked on me. What's he over here crying about? He dunked on me. What are you doing? What's that? Oh shit, fuck it. Come on. I feel like I messed up my hand. Damn, you still recording? Thought you was done. You know, it'll be real nice if I didn't have to find out I'm about to fucking feed a bird, cuz. I'm about to feed these birds real quick. Parrot encounter. Parrot. We can go on this side.
It's still $3.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
look at this. Hey, show them your dog food.
My what?
That dog food. Oh. Oh, damn. shit, son. Do it hurt?
No, it just bites you and landed on your hand.
I got it bit. I got the damn thing bit me, girl. That's damn bit me, though. Look at it. Sound like that. Look at that. Oh, it's gonna be your ass. Look at it. He on camera. Oh my God. Hey, record. Give me that. You focus right? You focus. I got all the birds. I got all the birds. Oh shit. What y'all eating on? Oh. What's they all just decide to jump? Yeah, what they just decide to whoop each other? Come on. Everybody just jump. Oh, I got my 5 birds on. Excuse me. What's up? What's good? I'm the bird whisperer. I'm the bird whisperer. Oh. Yeah, man, he biting. Ow. Come on. I ain't food. They just said he smell good. Hey, stop. I'm not food. Stop. The food is on the other stick. God damn. You see him biting me? Like the bird biting me. Oh, where he come from? How did I eat these? No, whoa! This is a magic getting jumped by these things. Y'all want these? This one get... Oh my God. Tell them we need more food. I don't think this one want to eat. This one don't want to eat no more. I think I just made a friend. Is he on my hat? There's one on my hat. Oh, get him off my hat. Get him off my hat. Get him off me. Is he on my head? Get him off.
Move, just move.
I can't. Get him off. Oh my God. Hey, look at him. He been doing this the whole time. He been eating this the whole time, bro. He's crazy. He wanna eat me. Did the one on my head leave? Hey, this is crazy. Did he leave yet?
No, you're still on.
This is my friend. This is the only one that like me. He been on me the whole time. Literally. Hey, I think he liked the way I smell. Get him off of me. All right, friend. Your boy, we decided to get some fucking mouse ears. The things look salty as hell.
That's not salt, that's sugar.
Well, sugary. We know what I meant. Oh man, they look good though. We gotta still smash them over there. We're still trying to focus on all these people. It's nighttime now. We gotta skedaddle up out of here though. Look at the little cows. Motherfuckers big as hell. Bigger than your nose. Look at these things. They catch me rolling. Damn, I'm on. Big as hell. Shit. Whoa. Yeah, Logan, get your ass on. The baby cows. Oh shit. Look like redhead kid. Wow. little homie right here got a mullet. Little homie got a mullet over there. We call this motherfucker a short bus. Turkey leg. Turkey leg. He said that who ate the turkey? In my bag. Look, here you go.
Card only right here, and I do turkey legs.
Am I tripping or this nigga shirt say bogus? Bogus, that motherfucker say bogus. He in a bogus relationship, doesn't mean it's all bogus over here. Look at that menu. You know, crazy over there. That's it, YouTube, for our vlog of the fair. I'm tired as hell. I really don't feel like talking. But sure, we'll get back at y'all with another video. Hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all be safe.